Hello, good morning to everybody. Today we will discuss about transversals and parallel lines. In our previous video, we discussed about transversal and parallel lines. We discussed alternate interior angle and corresponding angle. Today we will discuss about the alternate exterior angle. What is alternate exterior angle? Alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. This definition indicates the angles are on the exterior part of the parallel lines and their relation are called alternate exterior angles. So exterior part angle 1, 2, 7 and 8 are exterior angles of two parallel lines AB and CD when MN is the transversal. So 1, 2, 7 and 8 are exterior angles, and those among those exterior angles, two angles should be alternate angles, means both sides of the transversal, and they are not adjacent. They are called alternate exterior angle. Suppose take an angle 1 is equal to, look, one side of the transversal 1 and 8, another side of the transversal 2 and 7. So two angles are alternate side of the transversal. So one, either we take 1 or 2 or 1 or 7, but 2 is the adjacent to 1. So we can take 7. Two angles are alternate exterior angle. Those two angles are alternate side of the transversal, but they are not adjacent. So angle 1 is equal to angle 7. This is alt X angle, and another angle 2 is equal to angle 8. This is also alt X angle. This is alternate exterior angle. Now we discussed about alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle and corresponding angle. What is corresponding angle? The angles on the same side of the transversal. One is exterior angle, another angle is interior angle, but they are not adjacent to each other. They are called corresponding angles and they are equal. Now come to take a screenshot, then come to co-interior angle. Or co-joined angle. Or LED angle. Co-interior angle, co-joined angle or LED angle. What are co-interior angle, co-joined angle or LED angle? Co-interior angle. Co-interior angle means the matter about the interior angles. What are the, how many interior angles? 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 4 interior angles, 4 exterior angles. This is about 4 interior angles. But co-interior angles means two angles are said to be co-interior angles those angles are on the same side of the transversal and should be internal angle. So only same side of the transversal, only two angles are there, 3 and 6, in alternate side 4 and 5. So these two angles are co-interior angles. And another thing you should remember, the sum of the co-interior angles is 180 degree. The sum of the co-interior angles is 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 6 are co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Because this is co-interior angle or LED angle. You should remember the geometrical term co-interior angle. It is also called co-joint angle. It is also called LED angle. Now the other side of the transversal, angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? So this is LED angle. So the sum of the LED angle, sum of the co-interior angles or sum of the co-joint angles is 180 degree. This is co-interior angle. Then co-exterior angle. Now come to the co-exterior angle. Take a screenshot. Co-exterior angle. So exterior angle means the among 4 exterior angles, 2 angles are co-joint or a co-exterior angle. Angle 1 and angle 8. The same side of the transversal, but they are same side of the transversal, but they are external angles. So they are co-exterior angles. Angle 1 by sum of 2 co-exterior angles is equal to 180 degree. 180. 1 plus 8 is equal to 180 degree. Co-ext angle. And angle 2 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree because co-ext angle. This is co-exterior angle, co-interior angle. Corresponding angles, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle, adjacent angles, collinear angles, supplementary angles, vertically opposite angles. This is much important in every part, every concept of geometry. So we should practice and remember this thing about parallel lines and transversal. Now look another things. Suppose this is not given, this side is omitted, this side is omitted, this is omitted, this much is given. A, B, BD. So AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD and BD is the transversal, but there is no exterior angle here, only interior angle, this angle and this angle. What are the relation between angle 4 and 5? They are co-interior angles, means we can write angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. So in your geometry, not this like structure is given, parallel lines and transversal, some would be deleted, some is given. So this type also another figure, but we choose what types of how many angles of parallel lines and transversal are there and what are the relation between them. They are co-interior angle or alternate interior angle or alternate exterior angle or a corresponding angle. So look this here, angle 1, suppose angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. Among 8 angles, 5 angles are here. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree, that is co-interior angles, and 1 is equal to 4, one internal interior angle, one exterior angle, one side of the transversal, they are corresponding angle. So 1 and 4 are equal due to corresponding angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is the alternate interior angle. Likewise, now in this way we can prove. And another thing, this is a line, any AB is a line. Suppose this is, here is a point O, here is an angle, how many degree it is measured? AOB angle is how much? AOB angle is equal to how much? Because this is a protractor angle, that is equal to 180 degree. So one line, we take any point on the line, the angle will be 180 degree, which is called straight angle. This is the straight angle, straight line angle. Now take a triangle, we can prove by parallel lines and transversal, the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree by taking the parallel lines and transversal. You already studied these things in your earlier classes. So now let us come and see. This is a triangle ABC. We can prove the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Suppose angle A is called angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. The angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. We can prove. How we can prove? The angles, the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Now take a parallel lines on the point A, which is parallel to BC. Take a parallel line, suppose that is M and N. MN is a parallel line, goes through vertex A and form another two angle. Suppose this is angle 4, this is angle 5. So MN is parallel to BC. How we can find, how we can prove the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree by parallel line? Look, MN is parallel to BC. If MN is parallel to BC, MN is parallel to BC, so AC is a transversal. When MN is parallel to BC and AB is a transversal, so by drawing one parallel line, we have two transversal. By take one transversal, suppose MN parallel to AB, parallel to BC and AB transversal. What will be? Look, MN parallel to BC, AB is a transversal. So how many angles are formed here? This is the angle and total this angle and this is the angle. So mainly 4 and 2 angles are formed. Prominently angle 2 and 4 and formed. These angles, what are the relation between angle 2 and 4? Because these two angles are, now recall your parallel lines and transversal. How many, in what position 4 and 2 we are? These transversal and parallel lines 4 and 2 are internal angle. First they are internal angle, alternate of the transversal, they are called alternate interior angle. So alternate interior angles are equal. So we can write angle 2 is equal to angle 4 alt int angle. This is equation 1. Now let take two parallel lines MN and BC and take another transversal AC. MN parallel to BC and AC transversal. AC transversal. In AC transversal, MN parallel to BC and AC is transversal. So angle 5 and 3 are prominent angles. Angle 5 and 3 and this angle 4, 1, the sum of 4 and 1 angle is also formed. But angle 5 and 3 are prominent angles. Which kind of angles they are? They are interior angle and alternate of the transversal. So they are called internal alternate angle or alternate interior angle. So alternate interior angles equal. So angle 3 is equal to angle 5, that is alt int angle. Equation 2, small thing, that is equation 2. We know in a line, in any point on the line, the angle will be a protractor angle, that is 180 degree straight angle. So if MN is a point, MN is a line, if MN is a line and A is a point, so on A point, on one side of the line there is 180 degree, another side another 180 degree. So if MN is a point, MN is a line and A is a point on MN, so at A point, one side of the line there is a protractor angle which is 180 degree or straight angle. So angle 4 plus 1 plus 5, these three angles is a protractor angle. One protractor angle, that is 180 degree, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus 5. We can write angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 108. Why? The main important things you should remember, geometry always says why. If we put the reason, our answer is justification. But if you cannot put the reason, your answer, your step is not justified. So why angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 180 degree, we can simply write straight angle. STRAIG, straight angle. Due to straight angle, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. But angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Instead of 4 angle, we can write angle 2. 1 angle as it is plus angle 5 is equal to angle 3, that is equal to 180 degree. Proved. So 1, 2 and 3 angles are angles of a triangle. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree according to parallel lines and transversal. So parallel lines and transversal is very, very important for you, and this much. And let us come to some more examples. Take a screenshot. Example 1, two parallel line indicates like this, and one transversal. This angle 2x minus this angle 8x 6x plus 12, 6x plus 12. What is x, value of x? And another diagram, (2x) 9x plus 12. This angle is 9x plus 12. This angle is 4y minus 10. This angle is 3x. The two small example. Here what is the value of x? Here what is the value of x and y? Look, what is the value of x? This angle and this angle. What are the relation between this angle and this angle? First, these two angles are exterior angle. This is an exterior angle, this is an exterior angle, and one side of the transversal. One side of the transversal, but they are exterior angles. We already studied about, so they are called co-exterior angle. The sum of the co-exterior angle is 180 degree. So this and this 180 degree. 2x minus 18 plus 6x plus 12 is equal to 118. Cause co-ext angle as a co-exterior angle and a co-interior angle. Sum of the co-interior angle is 180 degree. Sum of the co-exterior angle is also 180 degree. So 2x plus 6x 8x minus 18 plus 12 minus 6, that is equal to 180 plus 6. So x is equal to 186 by 8, that is equal to 8 2 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16, and 2 6 8 4 ja 2 6 8 3 ja 24, then 2 0 8 2 ja 16, then 8 5 ja 23.25 degree. Whatever it may be, either decimal or fraction, there is no matter. But here this angle and this angle are given. Look here, this is an angle, this is another angle, this is another angle. So this angle 9x plus 12, so it is 9x 12 plus 12. So this is 9x plus 12. How? Why? Vertically opposite angle. Two lines are intersect at a point, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So the vertically opposite angle of this angle is equal to this angle. So this angle and this angle this angle and 3x and 9x plus 12 and 3x. What type of angle they are? Co-interior angle. First find out the value of x. Co-interior angle. Sum of the co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So 9x plus 12 plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. So 9x plus 3x, that is 12x, is equal to 180 minus 12. X is equal to 8 6 1 by 12, that is equal to 12 1 ja 12 4 ja. X, the value of x is equal to 14 degree. Now 9x plus 12 and 2y minus 10, this angle and this angle corresponding angle, or 3x and 4y minus 10 are a linear pair. 3x 4y minus 10 are a linear pair. You can take any angles and solve it. Either a 9x plus 12 and 4y minus 10, they are corresponding angles equal. Otherwise 3x and 4y minus 10 are a linear pair. So I am taking the linear pair. 4y minus 10 plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Always write the cause. Implies that 4y minus 10, x value 14 into 3, 42 is equal to 180. Implies that 4y 32 is equal to 180 minus 32. Y is equal to 8, 7 minus 3, 4, 1 by 4. That is equal to 4, 3 ja 12, 2, 8, 7 ja. So y value 37, x value 14. These are the little examples you have already studied in your previous classes. Just a recall. For a recall, I discussed this chapter, this topic. So I hope you understand, and next we will start the new topic. Either it may be trigonometry or geometry, isosceles triangles. Next we will discuss. For today, thanks, goodbye.